Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into organizing daily stand-ups with Todoist, your complete 2025 guide. Let's get started. First off, create a new project in Todoist specifically for your daily stand-ups. On the home page, click on the plus icon next to the Projects tab, name it Daily Stand-ups, and hit Add. Dedicate a distinct space for these meetings to ensure all your notes, tasks, and discussions stay in one organized location. Now that we've done that, let's move to the second step. Add tasks for each team member. Click the plus icon next to the task section and input each team member's name as a task. This helps us because it allows you to assign specific actions to each person during the stand-up, keeping everyone accountable and on track. The reason we do this is simple: clarity and organization. So next, add subtasks for each team member's task. Click on a team member's task and hit the Add Subtask button. Here's where you'll jot down the main points from the stand-up, like task updates, blockers, or any other important notes. The purpose of this is to keep a clear record of what was shared and discussed during the stand-up. Now, with the tasks and subtasks set, you might be wondering how to prioritize them. Let me explain why this matters. You see, Todoist allows for task prioritization. Click on a task or subtask and select a priority level from 1 to 4. The higher the number, the lower the priority. This helps you visually differentiate between urgent tasks and those that can wait. Our final step is to set reminders for these stand-ups. Under each team member's task, click Add Reminder, set the date and time for your daily stand-up, and make sure it repeats daily. This ensures that no one forgets about the stand-up and everyone stays in sync. And there you have it. You've successfully organized your daily stand-ups with Todoist. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure your stand-ups are well-structured, everyone's tasks are clear and prioritized, and most importantly, everything is organized in one place. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the key to productivity is staying organized, and Todoist is a fantastic tool that can help you do just that. Until next time, stay productive.